Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 5 trading tools and resources you guys need. So I hope you guys all enjoy it, and I'll put links to all of them down below. So if you guys want to sign up, click those links, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there. And guys, let's dive into this. So over the past 7 years, I've been swing trading full time, and these are the top 5 trading tools, resources that I have found that helps both beginners and full-time traders. I use all these tools every single day. So let's move on to tool number 1. Tool number 1 is having a good broker. Now, the broker I use and one that I put on this list is Moomoo. Now, I know you've heard me talk about them before, but I absolutely love them. They offer great charting, paper trading. So if you want to start practicing getting in and out of positions, maybe you're trying to make that transition from working a full-time job to becoming a trader, and you don't want to risk your real money and you just want to practice, or whatever it may be, practice your entries, your exits. They offer paper trading. On top of that, they offer new AI tools. They offer an AI monitor to help monitor stocks. They offer charting, scanning, back testing. So if you find a strategy that works well, you can back test it and see how it worked in the past. Moomoo is absolutely fantastic, and they're the broker I highly recommend all types of traders. They do offer fraction shares. So if you're still practicing, or maybe you don't have a larger account, you guys can start buying stock for as little as $5. Now, obviously, the main drawback that I found with Moomoo is just the standard broker's account. They don't offer any IRAs or any tax incentivized retirement accounts. But honestly, at the end of the day, I'm a trader. I'm not going to be holding these positions for retirement, so it's not that big of a deal. And I'll put a link to Moomoo down below, but I absolutely love them. All right, tool number 2 is going to be Finviz. Finviz is a stock screener. Now, the reason I absolutely love this is right off the get-go, it's completely free. As a swing trader, when I first started, I didn't want to spend $30, $40 a month on a screener when I'm not even making money. So they offer free scanning, and for the free version, it's delayed data by 15 minutes. And as a swing trader, when you're holding positions for several days, 15 minutes in the grand scheme of things isn't that much time. If you get in on opportunity and you're waiting for confirmation, it's not that big of a deal. Also, Finviz has a whole bunch of other great things where you guys can create those custom scanners. You can see what sectors are performing well. You can see the general S&P 500 map. You guys can see the hot stocks for the day. It's a really cool platform. And if you're a trader not using Finviz, you're missing out on opportunity in the market. The biggest drawback that I have with Finviz is it's not a downloadable thing you guys can put on your computer. It is on a website. And so for me, it's not that big of a deal. But if they had like a downloadable version, even if you had to pay for it, I totally would. I think it would make everything so much better. All right, the third tool, before we jump into that, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget, we'll put links to all these down below. All right, tool number 3 is having a trading journal. Now, having a trading journal is so incredibly important for beginners and even full-time traders. I've been swing trading full-time for over 7 years, and I journal every single one of my trades. And obviously the reason why is because I want to know what's working with my strategy and what's not working with my strategy, so I can focus on what's working and I can eliminate what's not working. And if you're a beginner not having a trading journal, there's literally no excuse, because you don't need a fancy journal. I've journaled with notebooks like this, where I just jot down the stock I'm in on, why I'm in on it, my plan, my thought process, my stop loss, and just like a brief description of kind of why I'm getting in on this position, so I can look back and kind of remember my thought process with this. Now, nowadays, I don't really use this. I do have a digital version which does track the strategies that are working well, the stocks I'm in on, my weekly P&L, and all this stuff I really care about. If you guys want that, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can sign up. It's going to be under Trading Journal. You can download it. It's right to your Google Sheet. But having a trading journal, literally, there's no excuse for you not to have one. If you have a phone, you easily can journal your trades just right on the Apple Notes or Android Notes tab. All right, the fourth tool and resource that I would highly recommend is called the Swing Trading Masterclass. This is my school. This is my prized possession, and I absolutely love this. It's pretty much what I teach. It's my strategies, my approach. It's everything when it comes with navigating swing trading. And yes, it is a course. It's online. And the thing that I hate is traders and people come on and they say, Carter, the course you sell is a scam. No, it's not. My course is not a scam. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years. It's scanner criteria. It's a group chat. It's a community of people that want to learn swing trading. And that's what we talk about. That's what I pride myself on. You know, when I first started swing trading, I didn't have access to a community. I didn't have access to a course. So this is, you know, what I wish I had when I first started to help jumpstart my swing trading. And with having an online course, people are always going to judge. But at the end of the day, I'm really just trying to help. So right now we're doing an amazing holiday sale for 51% off. So if you guys want to sign up, click that link, code XMIS24 to get 51% off. All right, the fifth and final tool that I would highly recommend for all types of traders is going to be Yahoo Finance. Yahoo Finance obviously is that Yahoo Finance, right? What they have is all types of things. They have news, charting, but one of the main reasons I absolutely love it is they have really good analyst ratings. So you can see what top hedge funds and analysts are rating certain stocks. And they do give future predictions for companies, which I do think is important as an investor and as a trader in the market. And having a resource like this can really help start and jumpstart your trading and investing. Alrighty, guys. So these are the top 5 tools and resources that I would highly recommend all types of traders, whether you're a beginner or you're a full-time trader. And don't forget, if you guys want to sign up for any of them, click those links down below and jump in and sign up. But overall, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.